A sociologist chose 300 students at random from each of 2 schools and asked each student how many siblings he or she has. The results are shown in the table below. So here's the table. Looks like we have 2 schools, Lincoln High School and Washington High School, and we know that the total of students surveyed for each of these was 300. It goes on to say there are a total of 2,400 students at Lincoln High School and 3,300 students at Washington High School. Now the question. Based on the survey data, which of the following most accurately compares the expected total number of students with 4 siblings at the 2 schools? So number of siblings, 4, so we are focusing on this row right here. So the beauty of conducting research and surveys is that you can use the research survey data and apply it into the whole population. So for Lincoln High School, we see that there were 10 students out of 300 who were surveyed that said they had 4 siblings, so 20 out of 300. Now, that fraction is going to apply to Lincoln High School's total population, approximately. So 10 over 300 times 2,400. We'll repeat this process for Washington High School. And we're going to say again, for Washington, there were 10 out of the 300 surveyed that say they had 4 siblings. But the grand total for Washington is slightly bigger. They have 3,300 students in total. So when we do the math for each of these, you will find that 300 goes into 2,400 8 times, so 10 times 8 is 80. 80 students in the total population would have 4 siblings. Repeating this process for this other one, 300 goes into 3,300, 111 times actually, and then 10 times 11 ends up being 110. So we see that Washington has more students that have 4 siblings and they're up by 30. So let's go through the choices. The total number of students with 4 siblings is expected to be equal at the 2 schools. Well, clearly that's not true, because 80 is not the same thing as 110. So choice B, the total number of students with 4 siblings at Lincoln is expected to be 30 more than at Washington. So is Lincoln 30 more than Washington? No, it's the other way around. So B is not it. The total number of students with 4 siblings at Washington High School is expected to be 30 more than Lincoln. This is it. We can clearly see that Washington is 30 more than 80. So C is it.